Are you ready to take your shoulder game to the next level? Do you dream of having sculpted, strong deltoids that turn heads? Look no further than the barbell front raise, a compound exercise that is a game changer for anyone serious about building an impressive physique. This powerful movement targets your front deltoids, helping you achieve that coveted V-taper and enhancing your overall upper body strength. Get ready to unlock your true potential and sculpt a physique that exudes confidence and power. This essay will be your guide to understanding and mastering the barbell front raise. We'll break down the exercise step by step, explore its incredible benefits, and inspire you to incorporate it into your fitness routine. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your journey, get ready to unleash your inner strength and transform your body. The barbell front raise is a compound exercise that specifically targets the anterior deltoids, the muscles responsible for the rounded shape of your shoulders. By engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously, this exercise not only builds strength and size in your deltoids but also improves your core stability and posture. Unlike isolation exercises that focus on a single muscle, the barbell front raise engages your entire upper body, making it a time-efficient and highly effective addition to your workout routine. Imagine yourself standing tall, shoulders back, with a barbell held firmly in front of your hips. With controlled movement, you raise the barbell to shoulder height, feeling the burn in your deltoids as you lift. This powerful exercise not only sculpts your shoulders, but also enhances your functional strength, making everyday activities easier and more enjoyable. Get ready to experience the transformative power of the barbell front raise and unlock a new level of strength and confidence. Ready to experience the incredible benefits of the barbell front raise? Follow these steps to perform the exercise with perfect form. Step 1. Set up for success. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, holding a barbell in front of your hips with an overhand grip, slightly narrower than shoulder width. Keep your back straight, core engaged, and elbows slightly bent. Step 2. Raise with control. Inhale and slowly raise the barbell in front of you, keeping your elbows slightly bent and your wrists straight. Focus on using your deltoids to lift the weight, not your back or momentum. Step 3. Pause and contract. As the barbell reaches shoulder height, pause for a moment and contract your deltoids. Feel the burn and focus on maintaining proper form throughout the movement. Step 4. Lower with control. Exhale and slowly lower the barbell back to the starting position, maintaining control throughout the descent. Avoid letting the weight drop suddenly, as this can put unnecessary stress on your joints. Section 4. Reaping the rewards benefits beyond aesthetics. The benefits of incorporating barbell front raises into your fitness routine extend far beyond just aesthetics. This powerful exercise not only sculpts your shoulders but also enhances your overall strength, stability, and functional fitness. By strengthening your deltoids, you improve your posture, reduce the risk of shoulder injuries, and enhance your ability to perform everyday activities with ease. Imagine yourself effortlessly lifting heavy grocery bags, playing sports with increased power, or simply standing tall with confidence. The barbell front raise empowers you to move through life with greater strength, resilience, and vitality. It's not just about building a better body, it's about unlocking your full potential and living your life to the fullest. Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Confucius. This quote embodies the spirit of fitness. Embrace the challenge, push your limits, and celebrate every victory along the way. Section 5. Embrace the challenge. Elevate your fitness journey. Are you ready to unlock your deltoid potential and transform your physique? The barbell front raise is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your fitness goals and live a healthier, more fulfilling life. Incorporate this exercise into your routine and witness the incredible changes it brings to your body and mind. Remember, fitness is not a destination, it's a journey. Embrace the challenge, stay consistent, and never stop pushing yourself to be your best. Now we want to hear from you. Share your thoughts, experiences, and fitness goals in the comments below. Let's inspire and motivate each other to achieve greatness together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the message of health, fitness, and empowerment.